Okay. Uh, Hello everyone, Vedant here. Uh, Welcome to day two of here, session two. So my friend, before starting this video actually, my friend in the comment pointed out that I'm segregating people on the basis of their language, like uh, that I'm separating from, India in the basis of fluent in English speaking and fluent in speaking. See, n- this is not what I wanted to say. First of all, I know the South cannot obviously speak. It's not their fault, man. I don't care. First of all, for me, India is neither South nor West nor sucking North and something. Full country for me is India. I don't care if whatever someone tries to divide themselves. इंडिया इज इंडिया केरला भी देश का पार्ट है और वहीं जम्मू कश्मीर भी देश का पार्ट है so now what I want to say this I think your thought here been कि मैं इंग्लिश जो हिंदी नहीं बोलते उनको मैं गवार कह रहा हूँ नो दैट्स नॉट दैट you see when you check online actually the standard for these people here is कि तुम्हें इंग्लिश आती है then you are way educated अगर तुम्हें Hindi नहीं है. If you use Hindi, you are fucking, uneducated to say. And अगर आप इसमें ये बोलोगे कि फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश क्यों है इंडिया में ऐसा तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया कैन नो को डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फील होता कि भाई वो तो हिंदी नहीं बोल सकते तो उनके लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हिंदी में उनके लिए तो इंग्लिश में चाहिए. So the constitution was written in English. That's why I guess most schools have first English as a first language policy. But come on, man. Even the teachers speak in Hindi, interact with Hindi. Your native language. For me, it's Hindi. Um, Now you're saying segregating. Now you're saying that segregating based on fluent speaking is India is wrong. According to India's big mistakes, they meant people. No, I want to. I'm not separating, as I said. In the comments, which anti-Indian comments on actually. First of all, it wasn't about the fucking language based. I was totally speaking about the brown sepoys there actually. Brown sepoys, if you don't know what I mean, you know, have you seen some Indians fucking taking hate on themselves, even though they know this is not, hating India. Yes, the Indians who hate India while living in India. I don't know, man. The fucking sense of no bit amount of nationalism in themselves, man. I call them inbreds. They're fucking worse than inbreds, to be honest with you. Uh, and again, I'm not separating based people based on this fluency of speaking English. Uh, and speaking of fluency of speaking Hindi, because दोनों लैंग्वेज बढ़िया हैं बट हिंदी अगर तुम ऐसा बोलोगे कि तुम्हें हिंदी आती है और तुम्हें इंग्लिश नहीं आती है देन यू कैन नॉट डिफाइन कि भाई ये अनएजुकेटेड है या एजुकेटेड एंड टाइप स्टफ लाइक दैट मेरा यही कहना था. अगर भाई मैं अगर तेरे को गलत लग रहा है कि मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ कि इंग्लिश वाले गवार है इंग्लिश जो ऐसा बोलते हैं गवार है नो according to me India's was making English first place. This trait made people feel that Western schools no it wasn't ever like that कि उन्हें वेस्टर्नर्स का तो हमारे देश को पसंद नहीं है तुम कुछ कर लो क्योंकि अगर ये सामने से गोरों को वो कहते हैं इनको पसंद नहीं है भाई. ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस इंडियंस डू नॉट लाइक गर्ल्स. अगर तुम्हें कोई रेसिस्ट हेट फेंक के मारेगा तो तुम उसकी और गांड मारोगे. ये तो इंडिया में भाई है चलता ही है सिस्टम. अगर किसी ने थप्पड़ मारा तुम उसका खानदान खत्म करने पहुंचोगे. सो वेयर वाज आई या योर पॉइंट बीइंग कि इंडिया को मिडिल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इनकॉर्पोरेट नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. सैडली एक बात यह है कि हर जगह हिंदी अवेलेबल नहीं मिलेगी. इंडिया में तो मिल जाएगी तुम्हें ऑब्वियसली बहुत पार्ट्स ऑफ द इंडिया में मिल जाएगी. बहुत पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया में नहीं भी मिलेगी हिंदी. एंड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए अभी सबसे कॉमन लैंग्वेज तो इंग्लिश है बट मेरा पॉइंट है बीइंग कि आप ऐसा कैसे कह सकते हो कि अगर आपको हिंदी आती है अच्छे से, वेल आप फ्लुएंट हो, अब सब हो, इंग्लिश में आप नहीं हो, तो आर यू एनएजुकेटेड? ऐसा तो कोई टर्म ही नहीं बनता ना. सो हेयर यू गो, आई पुट माय पॉइंट हेयर, एंड even the constitution was written in English for everyone, man. So why not English can be taught as a first. But if you're saying the English is taught as a first subject on basis, uh, किस बेस चीज से उसको रेफरेंस से पढ़ाते हैं? Obviously you will be taught in Hindi. The word English terms will be taught in Hindi, right? So you have been taught Hindi from your birth as well. Native languages. Okay. Maybe I have a bit of bias with Hindi, because well, I speak that language. I don't know other regional languages. I rarely speak Bundelkhandi, to be honest. I mean, I am from that place, but it's okay. What I wanted to yap about. Oh, actually, yeah. Let's come back to our point. Uh, Coaching days again. Uh, from tomorrow, yesterday. Uh, Wait. Okay, so actually yesterday, well, just good days have came, and honestly, I don't want to miss my classes right now. My good days have came, man. It's been a while actually. Okay, let's talk about my past actually. Uh, I had I had a girlfriend. Okay, I had a bad time. Shit had been a fucking long time. So it's been fucking more than 2 years, honestly. And finally, things have been starting to change. And okay, I might sound like a pervert, but no, I'm not. I respect women everywhere. Bhai, Bharat, okay, Bharat, women's are the superior. No, 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 madam, not that. What fucking make in our male hates her. uh, Women are as respectful as a man, because uh, my country, in my religion, sorry, uh, हिंदू में बहुत सारी माताएं, you know, goddesses are worshipped, and I respect every one of them. So even women I respect, because uh, I'm not that good looking, so you know I look a bit creepy, honestly. Most people say I look like a fucking, uh, badmosh of an area, which honestly I'm not big fan of listening those things. So yeah. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's get off that. The good days have begin. Uh, Yesterday in my class, a new person joined, I guess. Okay. Hopefully she doesn't might find my channel, man. Uh, a new person joined, and well, okay, she's beautiful. I cannot say this, man. I have to say, trying to say in the most respectable, she's fucking beautiful, man. Honestly, with my standards, she's fucking beautiful. And you might be thinking like I'm just a pervert because लौंडों को आते ही रहता है. Let's be real. तो ऐसा नहीं है. 2 साल के बाद मैं जनरली मेरी खत्म हो गया था भाई. इतना बेकार हाल था मेरा उसके संग फिर बाद में. एंड इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम. Thanks God for actually making me things. Hopefully I can have sometime get a friendship at least. I can get to know her name and stuff like that. And you might be thinking, oh, okay, you have came for study, right? Obviously, yeah, I have came for study, and I'm in the toppers list on obviously toppers list. So yeah, I have to improve. Obviously, I should aim for aim. I aim for. rank one in my class, obviously, and which I will do. That will be my, my, okay, primary is the right word, right? That will be my main fucking goal, obviously, right? But I have to keep my sanity somehow, and damn, man, it's so well, honestly. Uh, man, I hope I don't get banned from my batch if someone sees my video. Oh man, that's gonna be an embarrassing. And honestly, as I look, as a lafanga, as a thug, I look, actually very shy. Yeah, I know, big fucking. I'm afraid to talk to women. I guess those. I don't know why, man. I'm just scared. So that's I hope I can talk to this women one day, man. It will be an honor, man. Not just an honor, obviously. I really wanna make friends with her, chat and stuff like that. Man, she fucking did a magic for me in just 2 days of this coaching, man. So there goes my fucking depression arc on the moon, on the moon. Damn, god damn it. Now the happiness arc has begun. So yeah, that's about my coaching, yeah. Uh, what I should app about now? Hmm, yeah. Uh, hostel life. Let's get to it because, well, I want to extend this video a long time. So that's that. Uh, hmm, okay, the days has been good. My fucking cooler, it's behind me, has given me lots of trouble, man. I had to get it fixed a lot of times. And finally, I have gotten it, you know, wire changed. उसकी वायर ही चल गई थी बेटी चोर. What I'm doing with this channel, man. I originally opened it for my improving my English talking and stuff like this, but yeah, it's just my average lifestyle, I guess. Uh, I hope my friend doesn't find my channel, man. If he does, भाई वो मेरी वो खा लेगा. परेशान कर खत्म कर देगा भाई वो मेरे को. And okay, give me some tips, man. How do I talk to women, man? I wanna actually uh get with her somehow. No, no, start somehow, not that I'm desperate and I'm gonna do. Obviously, I respect her boundaries, man. I'm a decent human being. I have proper respect for everyone. So there's that. I wanna be respectful, obviously, and I wanna get to know her and stuff like this. Okay, I guess let's end it here. Let's end on this note. Yeah, in short terms, which I have a crush. I'm fucking 18 and having feelings like this. But you can't really blame me, man. My fucking teenage years, shit got ruined for me, honestly. So, yeah, that's this. And I hope my life, fuck. I hope my God, uh, our gods, bless me for this. Obviously, the colleges is more important, but you know, I really want to know her, man. It's been a while, so yeah. Okay, before ending this session, uh, click the subscribe button. The basic things like subscribe and stuff like that. And by the way, uh, India is one. Uh, India can be divided in north, south, west, east. India is one. First of all, make it sense. हमारा देश था अमर है अमर रहेगा. It has been surviving from fucking 1500 to a lot of ancient time. It will survive till again in the future, obviously. Uh, do not be, separatist and uh, try fighting racism with racism. You have to deal with it, man. अगर तुम्हारे से सामने कोई वो करता है, तुम्हें रेसिज्म का जवाब रेसिज्म से देना आना पड़ेगा. ओके. एंड यस, let's end the video here with on this note that I have a crush in the coaching. I'm doing exceptionally well, I guess. No, exceptionally well. For my stand, it's not that exceptionally well. Honestly, I think I should be able to score full. That should be my ideal exceptional score, but okay. I will improve it, obviously. And I hope I get to know this girl's name and at least be friends with her for right now. And if things turn out well, I will let you guys know. Okay. Bye.